problem. There are 500 students in Andrew's school. Andrew wants to survey a sample of students to determine the most popular school subject. Which sampling method is best to use to predict the most popular school subject? So this is, even though this is not really a probability question, I do like this because we do have to think about the idea of randomly selecting versus the idea of selecting a certain group that enters or exits at a certain time. So again, let's just focus here because our goal is to find the most popular school subject. So out of the whole school, what is the most popular subject for everybody, and what's the best way to do that? Now, they don't say it explicitly here that it really has to be for everybody, but the way they're phrasing it leaves it open to that possibility, so that's what it means. So here, C, it says, select the first 50 girls entering the auditorium for an assembly. Well, think how that would be biased, because these first 50 girls, right, they're walking into the auditorium, right? They're the first people to get there. Well, why are they there first? There could be a reason, and that could mean they're a select group of people. Perhaps they're always there early because they're really, very hardworking, organized people. How can they represent everybody? Because not everyone shows up first, not everyone's organized. C can't be it. Select the first 25 students leaving the building after school. Well, why are these students the first ones leaving the building? Right, here's school. When the bell rings, right, there's a group of students who come running out. Well, who do they represent? And why are they leaving? They might have an appointment or a reasonable reason to leave, but perhaps they're the type of student who needs to get out of the building as fast as possible. And that's not everybody. Lots of people stay behind in school and do all kinds of activities. So now we randomly select 10 students having lunch in the cafeteria, or randomly select 50 students from the student list of 500. Well, again, the students that have lunch in the cafeteria, first of all, this group is smaller, so it's going to be less random than this group right here. And also, they're all in the cafeteria, all eating lunch at the same time. They're part of a very similar group. So that's out. The best way to predict the most popular school subject for everybody is just to randomly select some group of 50 students from the student list of 500. And of course, the best thing would be to pick all 500 students. But the goal here is to pick a smaller group that represents everybody. So again, the larger the group, in general, the better it will be. Combine that large group with a random selection, and you've got the best method of all. All right, thanks.